Hello, I'm Tomlin, and this is my online harmonica school, where I provide everything that you need to become a better harmonica player. So let me talk you through all the stuff that you will get as a student with your monthly subscription to the Harmonica School. So you'll get in-depth monthly practice guides laid out in a logical manner from beginner to advanced intermediate. And don't worry if you're already a little bit further along your harmonica journey. You don't have to start at the beginner level. You can drop in anywhere you want. But I've just laid them out in the order that you would go through them if you were just starting today. You'll also get exclusive video, audio, and tabs. You get access to a private student-only forum where you can interact with other students, me, and chat about harmonica, ask harmonica questions, all sorts of cool stuff. You get access to a weekly live Q&A session with me where you can ask any harmonica questions that you have.
So that's a really good question, and it's actually quite a timely question for something that I'm doing at the moment.
You'll also get regular personalized feedback on any recordings that you submit to the forum. So I will tell you what you're doing right, what you're doing wrong, and how you can improve what you're doing. So this is probably the most important part of the Harmonica School. We also get guest Q&A sessions every month with awesome harmonica teachers and players. People like Will Wild, Adam Gusso, Ronnie Shellist, David Barrett, Joe Falisco, and many more. Not only do we get guest Q&A sessions, but we also get guest seminars on specific topics from world-class teachers.
Greetings, everybody.
Nice to see everybody.
Really glad you guys are joining today.
There's much more, and I'm always adding to the school, so you're going to get lots and lots of things to help you get better on the instrument. And all of this just for $30 US per month. And if after the first month you're not happy with it, just tell me and I will refund you for that first month and obviously cancel your subscription. And if you are happy with it, you can keep it going for as long as you want and then cancel at any time. It's really easy to do. I'm not going to make it difficult for you. Just let me know, or you can cancel it yourself in your account settings. Super easy. I hope to see you soon in Tomlin Harmonica School. Happy harping.